to record a prank call.
Why am I in this? I'm twirling my hair.
Alright.
Hey, we can never show my mom.
Prank calling my ex.
Part 1
Part 1.
begins.
Where did
Now.
your sister go? Where did your sister go?
Hello? Oh.
Yes, I know people. I look ugly. It's all good.
Hola?
Oh no!
Hola?
We'll call Billy again. Call Billy again.
Oh. I think I lost his number.
Adina?
Unless you... Did you delete it from
I
the...
think you're going to
Yes.
come here. You're going to come here.
Why?
Because this shit ain't
You
clean.
deleted all of that.
Yeah.
Smart though.
You just
I'm gonna
had
try
that
one more
stuff
time.
now?
No.
Yes.
It's gonna be an epic fail.
This light is bright.
I know.
Turn it off.
Hola?
This one, Jimbo?
Whoa.
Hola? Hola, Chester?
Baby! Baby, help me!
Shut up, woman!
Baby! What you do though?